Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode at Nori Aqua. Today, I'll share how to get crystal clear water in your aquarium and expose the truth about the warnings that should be printed on the labels of all aquarium water flocculants. As you can see, I have a bottle of Pisces Vivid crystal clear water. As indicated on the label, it does actually clear the water. However, it does it at an expense of building sludge in your aquarium, which ultimately clogs your filter within minutes. I personally find it very disappointing that the directions do not warn users they must do a water change and clean the filtration system immediately after dosage. Many beginners will overlook this and within a few days give up their brand new aquarium due to an onslaught of algae. The major flocculants that you may be familiar with are Sequin Clarity, API AccuClear, Fluval Quick Clear, and Pisces Vivid. Of course, there are literally hundreds of other products out there that do the same thing. Over in the 60p tank, I've purposely dosed the flocculant and left it as it is. As you can see, the sludge has caused the flocculant to actually throw the filtration system out of balance. It's caused a thick protein slick, and the protein slick is a good indication that your filtration system is choking on sludge. So if you leave this alone, you'll get a bacteria called blue-green algae or BGA, which is extremely difficult to get rid of. You probably heard green dust algae at one point in time, and this is what you're seeing here. Green dust algae is a suspended type of algae that can easily coat the entire surface of your aquarium, as you can see here. Back in the mini aquarium, you can see the surface water here is in pristine condition. There is absolutely no sign of protein slicks or any types of algae. Another good way to investigate whether your filtration system needs a good clean of sludge is by checking for sludge itself on the surfaces of your filtration system intake and outlet, as well as the tubes that connect them to the actual filter. If you see grey sludge, you must clean them out as well as your filtration system immediately. In most filters, you will have a polishing pad at the final stages of your filtration. This must not be reused, as this is the primary cause of uncontrollable algae if reused. Once the polishing pad is saturated by sludge, it's very difficult to clean it, so I highly recommend that you replace them every time you service your filter. So there you have it. With these in mind, you should not be afraid to use flocculants to get crystal clear water. I hope this helps you with your next water change. And if you want me to cover another topic, please send your request in the comment section below. If you like this video, it would mean the world to me if you give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the Nori Aqua channel. It costs to make videos, so your support helps continue the video production. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.